Pa, som thum kha Mizoram Youth Commission board sayin Zandaria ta TV live program amdonya o. Rin londo ina host liang.
Mary Somthum in Rinizan. Host Rini Londo. Opening song Mizo Cardinal Choir. Solo Lim Limimar. Amtea. Plenary discussion Professor Tlang Loma, ex-Pro Vice Chancellor MZU. Panel members Dr. C. Vanel Ramsanga, Secretary Planning and Program Implementation Department. James L.T. Thanga, Assistant Professor, MZU. Lalthamuana Ralte, Assistant Professor, PUC.
MYC Live Program.
LPS le Zone Cable TV no clear rep to read and so much.
He program hi Zonet le LPS ate live fa pek chwa anianga YouTube lama po enthe aniang.